How to Allow Downloads on Wi-Fi Only in Netflix 2025 Updated Guide. How to Mastery channel. Welcome to How to Mastery, your trusted channel for quick and easy tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to allow downloads on Wi-Fi only in the Netflix app. This helps you save mobile data while downloading your favorite shows and movies. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your Android or iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the account settings. Step 3. Now tap on App Settings. This is where you can control your download preferences. Step 4. Under the Download section, you'll see an option called Wi-Fi Only. Make sure the switch next to Wi-Fi Only is turned on. When this is enabled, Netflix will only download movies and shows when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 5. Bonus tip. If you ever want to temporarily allow downloads on mobile data, you can simply turn this option off. But remember, it might use more of your data plan. Step 6. After turning on Wi-Fi only, Netflix will automatically pause any downloads if you disconnect from Wi-Fi and resume them once you reconnect. And that's it. You've successfully set up Netflix to download on Wi-Fi only, keeping your data safe and your favorite shows ready to watch offline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy app tutorials, only on How to Mastery.